Welcome to my channel. To the ones that is the first time here, or somebody make a reference of this channel. Well, my intention here today is to show a trade that I was managing on live on Friday, past Friday, or last Friday, and I was kind of making hypotheses and setting premises for the trades management. One of the things that Albrus teaches us, it is because we need to understand the context, but we also needs to read very well what is really happening by the bar. So, and this is kind of exercise I usually do every day in the way to try one to set premises for both sides, bulls and bears, right? And set expectations for you in order to stay in a trade, exit of a trade, or even hold if it's the case, right? So in this 30-minute video, you can find that kind of exercise that I did live with some students that were with me yesterday afternoon. And you'll see how when you get a certain domain of the method, you can be able to set those premises, and at the same time you will be able to set some um, expectations, let's say that way, and without expectation try to anticipate what is coming. One of the things that Albert said is with this method we can be able, or that's one of the capabilities that we can build, studying a lot, Brooks, we can be able to anticipate what is coming based on the patterns, but also based on what the bar by bar is showing to you. I hope you can find this video useful, and I think it could be worthy for the people that are looking to be a trader, to have a trading as a profession. I think that this will be very very useful. In my case, that I like to make swings during the intraday. This is really key for the way that I'm trading every day. So that's the way that I do it. So I'd like to show you that in order that you can have a taste or what you can get when you get consistency on the application of the method. Please give your like. This is so ad hoc work. So if you don't um, um, don't hesitate, if you like this video, to make a like and share with someone else. If you want to join to my Discord server, just let me know in the comments. I'll send you in the private chat the link to join. Okay. So thank you very much for watching me and hope you enjoy. Thank you. Beautiful bar. That bar is a buy above that bar. It's a buy above, of course. So if nobody's long, that's a chance. It's above 40 with stop order, not buying the close because it's in the top of a trading range here. This is a L2 fail here. One minute to close that bar. Double top here, but a fail in the moving average to here. So let's say if we have a swing up here, it means that perhaps we are entering into a always in long-term leg here. So let's see how that bar is gonna close. Now this will be an L2 in a 1 minute chart, and we could have a reversal down. It's not a good bar. Let me put this in 1 minute, not changing any time here. Okay, let's see this in 1 minute here. It's not a good bar, but also didn't trigger L2 here, potential L2. So let's see if it's the swing that we're looking for up. See here fading again at Emma, same behavior. So we might have a third push here, this line, and this is gonna be a wedge, right? So if wedge, we have two potential outcomes in 1 minute here. A breakout of this wedge could be a good breakout of this line in the 5 minutes, or a reversal down from here. So now I'll put my stop break even. So because what I want is bulls going up this channel line here and breaking out in 1 minute, right? That will represent a good bull bar in 5 minutes. It's a great bull bar here. So above that bar, we could have more buyers. So then if 40 was a buy, 42, we need to be careful, right? Because we have a wedge in 1 minute here, right? It could be just, gonna semi stop here. It just could be a micro wedge in 5 minutes here, and then goes down, right? But also we have L1 here, L2 coming down. We could have even bars going below 41 and go up again. We have that too. You see 2BR is a double top. So it would be great if we have a bull bar here, buying this 2BR, but the most possible outcome is to have follow through this bear bar here. If bulls are strong, they're gonna buy this. They buy it. So they bought. So since the bulls are in control right now, let's see. Well, this is a trending line. So we expect bars, bulls buying there. Let's see. Below that, that's now L3. L2 failed. This is now L3. Let's see if we have there buyers below that bar. Another way to operate this that is overlapping is to exit in that bar, for example, bid 42, exit in the close, and then rebuy again above that bar. That's better. So I think I should exit in 42. It's a wedge, so it's a micro wedge there. So we have buyers below, right? So let's see if it's bought this bar, then it's gonna be a bull party. But I don't see it, I'm putting my stop below. I don't want bars going below that bar. Trigger that L3, right? Double top here in the 1 minute chart. You see here clearly, micro double top. This is the L2, 148. L1 was bought. L2, let's see, it has been triggered. So my stop is right there because right below this bar for me, it's game over for the bulls. Bulls wants this L2 be bought. That's what they want. It's L2 here, trigger. Should move my exit here below that bar in the 1 minute chart. But I will wait. Close of 42. Let's see if we have buyers here disappointed or they're just waiting to buy more. This is a good bull bar here. So we might be breaking out up right now. Let's see. Ten seconds. Micro gap open here. You see that there's no more overlapping in this bar, so we might have break up here. Let's see. Look at this in 1 minute. You can see clearly the breakout pullback in the high of yesterday. Clearly here. So what's kind of resistance here in the red line? Look at this, and then it's making a breakout pullback here. So something changed in the market. So if this bar is triggered up, probably will accelerate up. Hope my friend get out of the short. Because it's gonna accelerate up that bar here. It's a very good swing here, Ralphie. See here, height of 44, low of 46. It's great. Now what this means if it goes up? This is a wedge here. So if we trigger 45, that's a wedge fail. So it's gonna accelerate. That's why it's gonna accelerate too. So I'm making this, not this. Let me see. So making that MMF up as a wedge fail, right? This is a wedge here, failing, breaking out from it, right? And this is the minimum target of that. So it's gonna be the high of 15. Are you guys short or long at this time? Everybody's sleeping since, right? Please put in the chart. You're long or short or nothing, or flat. Hmm. Let's see if 46 will accelerate that we expect this year, above 45. Let's see. We have here a potential of 17 points from here, at least 10 points here to the of the faded wedge. And then we don't know, right? So, all right. So, welcome to the bull party again. Market now will be by the close market, right? Where it's gonna stop, I don't know. That's why I don't have take profit up. So I'm planning to exit in a L2. Just that. It is a magnet, yes, but we're in a bull trend, strong bull trend, so it could go higher. You know, open of the day is nice, but I'll say if we are projecting the this trading range up, we should look for the height of the day. Yeah, it will be 14. Yes, you're right. They're trapped there. Mhm. But the guys that were trapped in 14, if you make this like things like they get out here in 17. So they buy below 17, right? And they have the chance to get out here 50%, something like that. Look at this. It's beautiful price action on a mini. Look at this. They buy below 15 or below yeah, below 16. And they go in the 50% here, right in 50%, right? So T, did you get all this without a stop? Wow. If I bought 14, I will exit below 13. No doubt about that. This is a trading range, so it's a moving average. Better to stop always. Or reverse, right? So you can sell here in 17, get this, and that's it. It's like I did. So I bought about one, get out below one, right? So and then I sell below 12 here. That's it. And even I sell with 15, right? So when 50 came down, so it's It's a way to do it, and you get a loss. That's part of the game. Here you should have sellers, right, or buyers trying to exit, right? I don't like those ball bars making double tops. It could mean that there is just a climax on vacuum to the top of the trading range. So it doesn't have follow through. It could be disappointing for bulls and then get a, bears get attracted to go short below that 48, for example. So if we have follow through, then it's a great bar. So it means that the vacuum is not there, it's even higher. Yeah, that's what follow through. This could be attractive for bears. It's failed, and then we can close this gap here. Right? That's doing right now. But it's also an L1 now trigger. So let's see this bot. We don't lose or premise below that bar. 1 minute chart, another test of the breakout point. Oh, look at this is beautiful. In at the tick, right? So that was a resistance that became support. So I'm gonna go up with my friendly stop. And look at this failing in that way. Let's see how it's gonna close, but my exit will be there. I have 5 points already secure here. Breakout pullback, exactly. But it's looking good for bulls, right? Oh, what a bar. So this is a beautiful breakup pullback and another entry long above that bar. 12 seconds to to close. But what it means is basically this is a trading range. We're breaking out and just retesting. Bears are getting out. So now is going to look for the measure move off of this trading range, right? So that's basically what's happened. So here, this fine 123, fine 124 is gonna be the target. So it's clear. Market is telling you that, or have high of the day, right? So it's pretty much the same thing. So IOI, right? So IOI. So what to expect? What we can expect from IOI in that context? So as bet you say, so we teach you, we have trap short there. So what we expect as a premise is buyers below that bear bar, second bear bar there, right? So that's what we expect, or even in the close, right? So we should expect that L2 50 failed if it's triggered below, okay? If it's triggered here, we expect here failing, right? Above, it's just a flag. It's just a flag, a train, the weight of the train. That's basically what's up. The only thing here is that it's in the top of the trading range if we consider that as a trading range. So it could be a L2 short, not failing in a trading range. Basically that. And out. That's what I'm not liking. This is this is a trading range, so it's failing in L2 and out. So this follow through will be good for sellers too. So let me even out all of them. I'm closing all my positions here. That's not good. 6 points, which is good. So my prem is dead here below 49. So if we have buyers here and go up again, then I will rent it. But this is not what I was expecting.